Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to fill out a cart experience survey on the Alibaba application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now tap on the cart icon down below, which is the fourth option. And after that, tap on the this paper icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Here you can find a cart experience survey. First of all, you should choose your business type, your purchase frequency. Will you purchase from different suppliers at once? How do you place an order? Does it easy to understand the discount information on the cart page? If no, you should provide why. How satisfied are you with the cart function, ranging from 1 to 5. 1 means very satisfied, 5 means very satisfied. And the seventh, what's your suggestion on Alibaba.com shopping cart? Do you want more information to display in cart page? And now you need to input your answer here at this box. If you are done with adding and answering all these questions, all you have to do is clicking on the submit button down below. As you can see, now it is processing, so we need to wait a few seconds. And now, as you can see, it says thanks for your feedback to make it this application a better platform. So your survey has been sent. So you have completed it, so you are free to search for products that you want to purchase or just simply log out of the application. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.